So I really think that by the end of this video, you'll have a pretty good concept of what a category of Indian desserts are like. These are all of your kheers. Usually it's based with milk, with some other carb, I guess, like suji, semolina, rice, or vermicelli, seviya. And that's exactly what we're gonna do today. We're making a Seviyan Kheer. It's one of my all-time favorites. But this is gonna be perfect for the collaboration going on right now, which is the My Cooking Journey 2021 collab. I challenge all of you, while this collab lasts, to cook anything Indian inspired that you've been meaning to. And give it a shot, or put a small twist, which is Indian in nature, to your favorite dish. Do that. Let me know once you have the video ready, and we'll put it in the playlist so everybody can look at it, enjoy it, learn from it, and just have some fun with this collab. Let's get started with this video. If you're choosing to use some cashews today, you can start by heating up some ghee and then adding in your cashews and then lightly sautéing it. You want to sauté it in the ghee until it is lightly reddish brown, and that's basically gonna roast it and give it way more flavor than just raw cashews. You could also roast some almonds, and as a topping also use raisins. Personally, raisins are a big no-no for me. I like my kheers plain in most cases. So once those nuts are ready, set that aside, and then let's add in the vermicelli. I'm using 2 handfuls of vermicelli, and you want to lightly crush it before adding it into the ghee. It's gonna make stirring and roasting the vermicelli much easier than when it's whole. I'm going to continue stirring and breaking apart any huge chunks of vermicelli just so that the ghee can really coat it really well, and you want to continue roasting it in the ghee until it becomes brown. You should not let this out of your sight at all, and I would suggest that any other ingredient that you need after this step that you already have within your hand's reach, because you don't want to burn this, otherwise you have to start all over again. The level of brownness would be right down the middle, not too light and not too dark either. And after a couple of minutes of constantly stirring and cooking this on medium to medium high heat, you'll have something that looks a bit like this. This for me is perfect. Now at this stage, you're gonna add in all of your milk. For 2 handfuls, I'm using about 2 cups of milk. Use at least 2% or higher fat milk, because you really want your dessert to be creamy, and after all, it's a dessert, so why not just have some fun with it and have it in moderation. And now you want to bring this up to a simmer, and as soon as it's simmering, turn the heat down, make sure you keep stirring, nothing should get stuck at the bottom of that pan, and then add in your sweetener. Do you see the pattern here with the other desserts I did? Well, you can use whatever sweetener you want. Today I want you to go all out with honey, but you can use sugar, brown sugar, gur, stevia, whatever you want, or you can just save the sweetener till the end for those people who cannot have sweetener for whatever reason. And now you want to continue simmering that milk while stirring every few minutes until the milk has thickened and it's a really nice and creamy texture. Now personally, I like my sevai really thick, super thick, so I reduce it more than normal. But I'm going to show you both ways, and you get to pick by just visually looking at what looks more appetizing to you. And also it's your preference to decide and learn what temperature you best like your Seviyan Kheer in. Do you like it fresh, hot out of that pot, or do you like it chill in the fridge? So go ahead and adjust it and reduce it to your preferred consistency. Keep tasting at that stage just to make sure it's sweet enough for you. And one important step before you serve it is to add loads of saffron. That saffron is really a huge part of almost all Indian desserts, at least the ones that I've grown up on. And what usually goes with saffron is green cardamom. And I'm gonna use some of my ground green cardamom just to add that perfect marriage of flavor of green cardamom and creamy milk and saffron. It's just so good. And then all you have to do is serve it in your favorite bowl, no matter what the size is. Nobody's here to judge. And then add in your favorite toppings. I like mine plain, but today I'm gonna have it just for you guys with some of my roasted cashews. But that's it. You can put raisins, as I said, almonds, or whatever else that you feel like. Let me know if you are going to try your first sevai or your second, third, or fourth sevai, hot or cold. Which one is the way to have this dish for you? Let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know what else you would like me to make when it comes to Indian desserts. And for more videos just like this one, be sure to hit subscribe. Hit that bell icon, give your submissions to the cooking collaboration, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.